In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay using Gcash QR code. By the end, you'll feel confident using your phone to make quick, secure payments at the counter without handling cash. Start by opening your Gcash app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your account is ready to use. If it's your first time, the app may ask for camera permission. This is needed so you can scan QR codes. Once you're on the home screen, look to the middle of the screen for the QR option. Go ahead and tap it to get started. Your camera will open. If the store has a printed QR code on the counter, simply point your camera at it and hold your phone steady. Keep the code inside the frame and avoid glare by tilting your phone slightly if needed. The app will detect the QR automatically. When it recognizes the code, you'll move straight into the payment flow. Take a moment to review what's on screen. This may include the merchant name and, in some cases, the amount. If the amount isn't pre-filled, you'll be prompted to enter it. Then just follow the prompts on your screen to confirm the payment. This typically includes checking the details and approving the transaction. You'll see a confirmation message once it's successful. If the cashier instead asks you to show your own code for them to scan, stay on the QR screen and tap Generate QR. Next, tap Pay using QR code. The app will create a unique code that represents your payment method. Hold your phone so the cashier's scanner can read the code clearly. Turning up your screen brightness can help the scanner detect it faster. After the cashier scans it, simply follow the prompts on your screen to finalize the payment. Again, that may include reviewing the amount and confirming. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your phone steady when scanning. Make sure the QR is fully in view and double-check the merchant name and amount before you approve. If the app asks for confirmation, complete it right away to avoid timeouts. For your security, review your notifications and transaction history after paying, and don't share any one-time codes with anyone. That's it. Open Gcash, tap the QR in the middle, scan the store's code, or tap Generate QR and then pay. Using QR code to show your code to the cashier and follow the prompts on your screen to complete the payment. With a few taps, you're done.